Pretty sure that guy's about to do that. Whoa! That's wild. The flat, every flat. Two hands right here. Here and here. Got it. Alright. Maybe right here, maybe this way. So you feel right here and here, and you up. Alright. Here. Yeah. Careful with this. Yeah. Maybe in the face.
I'd be lying to say if I wasn't scared right now. I just scaled up this. I'm about to hop off here. Got a pretty sweet waterfall. This is super freaking scary. I saw this guy do a couple backflips. He's way cooler than me. All right. Go. That was scary.